Saturday afternoon, bored, shitless. What do you do? Well, mate just told me downshift's on, so we're going to head down to the Beenleigh Showgrounds for the downshift evening session, I guess you'd call it. About 5 o'clock, my mate's coming over. We're heading to downshift, and he's bringing his Harley V-Rod. Yeah.
Just want to get you coming around.
Oh,
You're right, what do you want?
oh, nothing. I just saw you there. I was like, oh, I'll just check. You hear that over my bike?
I can't hear anything over that.
I can hear you over mine through the helmet.
Yeah?
What happened there, mate? Fitment. Look at everyone. The end, mate. Get in there. Corey's in love. I like the white one. Idea. Is it? It's the 10. No, just the 10. It's yours, mate? It's yours. Sounds, yeah. Good nick, eh? Yeah. I just did I did the laser version of this a while back.
Oh yeah?
Fixed it up. Yeah.
Yeah, the car's same for him to learn in.
Manual.
Yeah, 5 speed. So,
Where'd you find it?
it was a decent stage.
Okay.
We picked it up.
Little pollution shit, eh?
Yeah, everything's on it. So.
Is it 1.6, isn't it?
Yeah, 1.6.
Yeah. And I bet you that's like a Magna motor. You think?
I don't recognise it. That is sick though.
And he's running. Is he running twins on that?
It's turbo as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. What he's.
Yeah. He's 6 turbo.
See, I like that.
That's different.
Best 2 in show, mate. Oh, yeah.
I love that, eh?
Devil's Horn, mate. Look at his paint.
Hey?
His paint is beautiful. That's nice too. Just nice, mate. Pride in cars, buddy. What app's that?
Willy Weather.
I don't understand that.
Same thing. That's the weather.
Comes on the bomber, it comes a nice big bloody.
Oh, you can go like
Nothing. That's why the other one looks shit, because there's nothing there. Should put the L plates on, eh?
hey?
Should put the L plates on. Everyone's asking. I like that.
It's kind of cool, eh?
You're a closet V-dub boy, are you?
I like a good ass. Can't tell me that's not a nice looking hatchback.
I like them better.
Broncos. Same thing. I need one of
See this, mate? A little trumpet on the carby.
these. It is too.
Look at that, mate. NA. You don't often see an empty space here, do you? That's had a nice under bonnet respray too. Yeah. Pressure regulator, coilies. He's had a bit of a respray all around. The problem with these now is even to buy these with nothing done, 7 or 8 grand. Oh, that's had some love, mate. V6. Cheap money, cheap horsepower. They'd be going for $500. ran into an old student that I'd taught before. Ended up chatting the whole night away. Corey headed off on the bike. So it was good. It was a big turnout for the last one for the year for Downshift. It was good. And lots of interesting cars, some old school cars, some real old school cars. One other N and one N line as well as my car. And I got a bit revvy and I popped and crackled the car a little bit. I actually didn't record that, but yeah. Anyway, I'm tired and I'm going to bed. See ya.